guys, welcome to At Home with Emely. I'm Emely. Welcome to my channel. Here on my channel you will find everything that has to do with the home, organization, cleaning, easy family recipes, and of course decorating ideas. Now today I'm going to share with you how I decorate my living room. As you guys know from my previous video, if you watched the patio transformation, my family and I just moved to our first home, so we're so excited and super blessed, and now is my time to decorate this small portion of my living room. It's not 100% done. I still have to add some blinds and curtains, but I can't see my couch bare without anything. It's driving me crazy. I did put a few picture frames and a mirror, and I say it's pretty much like 90% done once I add the throw pillows and the blanket and things like that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also I love this yellow burnt color, like mustard color, because it's perfect transition from the summer to the fall, and fall is literally like a month away. It's August still, it's still the summer. It's my birthday month, so I'm gonna enjoy the summer. But yeah, if you want like a transition color from summer to fall to decorate your house with, this is the perfect color. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel for more and give it a like and share this video. Now let's get started with decorating my living room. So I'll give you an overview of the living room. So that door right there leads to my office. Of course we need to paint that, but with time, people, with time. So this is an overview of my living room. It has a fireplace. I love the fact that from the living room you can see through the balcony and then to the pool. So if I want to watch TV and my kids are in the pool, I can watch them and make sure they're safe and having fun, which I really love that part. So as you can see, my couch is bare and some throw pillows in there. And let me show you, I'm not kidding. Look at all the boxes from moving that we still have to take care of. And that's my cute little dog. So his area is going to be here. I just have to fix this up. That's about it. And then there's windows over here to the backyard. I mean to the front yard, the front of the house. And you can see a glimpse of the kitchen. So yeah, this is my living room. And actually where the boxes are, that is the main living room. And this is the family room, but I am going to make that our dining room once everything is cleared and clean and organized, because I do not need two living rooms. So yeah, this is how it looks like.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together, but we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together, to go on together, yeah, to go on together. Does she know by now? Does she know that you're a little crazy? Like I once learned all the things you did but never showed me who you truly were. Think I know you better than your baby. It's like I hate myself, 'cause I miss you but I just can't help it. So if you're still crazy, if you lost your way, I don't know if you're not ready, if you've changed your mind. No, I will freak out. Promise I won't stop until you hold on, never let go. I will just freak out.
so most of the decorations I bought at Marshall's. As you can see, I love Marshall's for home decor. Marshall's and Home Goods are like my go-to for home decor and office stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is this big pillow. I love the color. It's like mustard burnt yellow color, which I feel like is perfect for summer to fall. So I only bought 2 of these. I have another one right here. And how cute are these, right? And this cost, let's see, $30, so $29.99 each. I bought 2 sets of this. It comes in 2s, and it's like this fluffy, I don't know if you can tell, gray and white. My living room decor, you're gonna see I have like the clock and the picture frame. It's like a rustic farmhouse decor. So I love black, white, and gray decoration. So this is from Marshall's as well, and this cost me, let's see if it says it, $39.99, and I bought 2 sets. There's another set right here. Super fluffy. I love it. I know it's probably gonna get dirty because I have 3 children and a dog, but nothing wrong with making your house look cute for at least 5 minutes or when visitors come. And I love having throw blankets in my couch or on my couch, and this is the perfect burnt orange throw. It's very thin, it's not that thick, and this cost me $16.99. Everything again is from Marshall's. I love it. It has white and the burnt yellow. Did I say burnt orange? It's burnt yellow. Now for the curtains, even though I'm not gonna put them today, I do want to share with you the curtains that I got. I just want you to see the details. Look, it also has, it's like gold detail, but also matches with my decor, and it's thin. It's like see-through. I love this. So this is gonna go, I bought 2 of these, so this is gonna go in the middle. Again, it's sort of like a beigey color as well. So it's gonna go like this. So bought this. And now I bought this basket so I can put, 2 pillows fit there, maybe 1 more. It is huge. This one, I'm gonna put it in the corner, and I can store more blankets in this or anything that I want. Even, you know, your dog's toys or your kids' toys, but I am gonna store blankets, and this cost me $24.99. I love the rustic everything, so thought this would be perfect because my living room has wood, exposed wood around. You're gonna see, and I feel like it just ties everything together. So now, of course, I will try my best to link every single thing that I'm sharing with you down below. And now let's get ready to decorate. Guys, I almost forgot my other pillow. Let me just break this back. This is a long pillow that's gonna go in the middle of my couch. I love this. Perfect. And of course it matches the curtains, and it matches the larger throw pillow. And this one cost me $24.99. I love it. Okay, so now we're ready to decorate the living room.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you'd get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell we see this as a lesson, then maybe we should open up the sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we